Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is third video on pedagogy MCQ. Please do watch first part and second part also. The first question is, the main characteristics of learning are: learning involves changes in perception and behavior. Learning may be described as an individual activity. Habit makes learning permanent. And option D is all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Next question. The theory of connectionism was introduced by: options are Rothermere, Kohler, Thorndike, Kafka. Correct option is C, Thorndike. Next question. The factors affecting in learning process are: options are physiological factor, psychological factor, environmental factor, and option D is all of the above. And the correct option is D. The psychological factor is: options are motivation in learning, maturation in learning, attention in learning, and option D is condition in learning. Correct option is A, motivation in learning. Next question. According to Gestalt theory, whatever is learned, it should be learned as a: options are part, whole, half, quarter. Answer is option B, whole. Next, learning is seen as a product of: options are practice, memories, experience, understanding. Correct option is C, experience. Next question. Learning is based defined as: options are any change in behavior, a relatively permanent change in behavior due to past experience, a permanent change in behavior due to physical development, any change in behavior caused by punishment. And the correct option is C, a permanent change in behavior due to physical development. Next, learning is defined as: options are enduring change through practice, memorization, reading, writing, testing, the acquisition and development of memories and behavior including skills, knowledge, understanding, values, and wisdom, being taught, practicing, writing, and being tested. And the correct option is C. Next question. Ivan Pavlov experiments conducted on dog. The unconditioned response and conditioned response are related with: options are salvation, food, bail, fear. And the correct option is A. Next question. Superiority of man over other animals lies in his: options are ability to eat, ability to learn, ability to play, ability to acting. And the correct option is B, ability to learn. Next question. Which type of conditioning both CS and CR are fixed? Options are classical conditioning, instrumental conditioning, instructional conditioning, and option D is all of the above. Correct option is A, classical conditioning. Next question. The older name of classical conditioning is: options are R-type conditioning, S-type conditioning, C-type conditioning, Q-type conditioning. And the correct option is A, R-type conditioning. Next question. Instrumental conditioning is also called as: options are R-type conditioning, S-type conditioning, Q-type conditioning, C-type conditioning. And the correct option is B, S-type conditioning. Next question. The propounder of expectation learning theory is: options are Tolman, Hull, Skinner, Kohler. Correct option is A. Next question. Conditional stimulus and conditioned response both are constant is: options are classical conditioning, instrumental conditioning, both A and B, none of the above. And the correct option is B, instrumental conditioning. Next question. When an individual sees an object or a situation, he sees the object or the situation as a whole and the detail of the parts comes afterwards. According to options are theory of conditioning, Gestalt theory, theory of connectionism, all of the above. And the correct option is B, Gestalt theory. Next, question number 125. From the observation of his experiments, Thorndike formulated: options are 1 law of learning, 2 law of learning, 3 law of learning, 4 law of learning. Correct option is C, 3 law of learning. Next question. Repetition of learning confirms the connection between stimulus and response according to: options are law of effect, law of exercise, law of readiness, law of satisfaction. Correct option is B, law of exercise. Next, the law of effect was introduced by options are Thorndike, Rothermere, Kafka, Watson. Correct option is A, Thorndike. Next question, the law of exercise has been divided into options are 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types. Correct option is A, 2 types. The law of satisfaction and dissatisfaction is the options are law of effect, law of exercise, law of readiness, law of use and disuse. Correct option is A, law of effect. Next question, to learn something one must be ready for it both physically and mentally. Which law of learning support this statement? Options are law of effect, law of exercise, law of readiness, law of use and disuse. Correct option is C, law of readiness. Next question, the law of readiness was introduced by options are Rose, Thorndike, Kohler, Kafka. Correct option is C. Next, through repeated attempt, after a long time, a pupil succeeds in computing a sum by himself. Such learning is supported by theory of options are learning by insight, learning by trial and error, learning by doing, all of the above. Correct option is B, learning by trial and error. Next question, learning by insight depends on the options are maturity of the learner, ability of the learner, habit of the learner, none of the above. Correct option is A, maturity of the learner. Next question, trial and error method of learning is common to options are adults, ladies, gents, children, and correct option is D, children. Next question, the law of exercise has been divided into options are 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types. Correct option is A, 2 types. The 5-step method of teaching was introduced by options are Thorndike, McDougall, Kafka, Harvard. Correct option is D, Harvard. Next question, Harvard was a options are English psychologist, German psychologist, American psychologist, French psychologist. Correct option is B. Next, in which type of conditioning the reward is depend on the response? Options are classical conditioning, instrumental conditioning, respondent's behavior, operant behavior. Correct option is D, operant behavior. Next question, Watson and Skinner are options are behavioral psychologist, physical scientist, psychological psychologist, none of the above. Correct option is A. How many minor laws were introduced by Thorndike? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct option is D, 5. Next, motivation is directed by the theory of options are connectionism, conditioning, pleasure and pain, Gestalt. Correct option is C, pleasure and pain. Next question, which one of the following pair is not true? Options are Pavlov dog, Skinner rat, Kohler pigeon, Thorndike cat. Correct option is C. Next, Kohler propounded the theory of learning by insight by experimenting on options are chimpanzees, rat, cat, dogs. Correct option is A. Next question, insightful learning is options are a goal-based learning opposed to qualification of behavior, both A and B, none of the above. Correct option is C, both A and B. Next question, motivation is directed by theory of options are pleasure and pain, connectionism, Gestalt, conditioning. Correct option is A. Behavior controlling in Gestalt psychology is options are configuration, motivation, both A and B, none of the above. Correct option is B. Next question, the term exercise is originated from options are Latin term, Indian term, Greek term, English term. The correct option is C. According to law of exercise, learning depends on options are motivation, maturation, trial and error, practice. Correct option is D, practice. Next question, the term effect is derived from options are Greek term, Latin term, Sanskrit term, English term. Correct option is B. According to the law of effect, learning depends on options are mental state, physical state, feeling of the learning situation, all of the above. Correct option is C. Feeling of the learning situation. Learning helps to change our options are attention, motivation, behavior, habit. Correct option is C. Behavior. Learning depends on psychophysical maturity of the options are teacher, learner, parents, clerk. Correct option is B. The term taxonomy has been originated from the Greek term. Options are tax, nomia, taxo, taxis and nomia. Correct option is D. Taxis and nomia. Audio means relating to visual, hearing or sound, sight, all of the above. Correct option is B. Learning is any change in behavior resulting from behavior. Statement was given by options are Guilford, Thorndike, Kohler, Kafka. Correct option is A. Guilford. Learning is seen as a product of options are practice, memories, experience, understanding. Correct option is C. The process of concept formation does not include options are perception, motivation, abstraction, generalization. Correct option is B. Motivation. Next, in which place children learn? Options are home, school, society, all of the above. Correct option is D. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Please do subscribe my channel and also like and share this video. See you in next video. Thank you so much.